Welcome to the fascinating world of antique furniture restoration, where we unlock the secrets of time-worn treasures. Before diving in, careful assessment is crucial. Every scratch and dent tells a story we must understand. Disassembling furniture is like solving a puzzle. Each piece reveals secrets of its construction and history. When removing old finishes, we can use chemical strippers or heat guns. Each method has its unique advantages. Repairing scratches, water rings, and dents requires patience and skill. It's like healing the wood's wounds. Choosing the right finish is an art. It can preserve the piece's history or breathe new life into it. A true restorer is only as good as their tools. Here's a comprehensive list of essentials for your projects. Not all antiques are suitable for refinishing. Learn to spot the characteristics of high-quality pieces worth the effort. Always check for hidden damage before starting. UV lights and careful inspection can reveal secrets beneath the surface. The debate between refinishing and focusing on repair is ongoing. Each approach has its merits and challenges. Adding modern twists to traditional pieces can breathe new life into them while maintaining their integrity. Remember, furniture restoration is about more than aesthetics. It's about preserving history, one piece at a time. You now have the keys to unlock the past. Every piece of furniture has a story waiting to be revealed. Ready to start your restoration journey? Click the link below for more resources and inspiration.